We're going to Emerald Bay. We have Everett for not even 24 hours. And it's a beautiful morning. It's the 31st of May. Still, this is our 5th outing on our boat. And we have coffee and breakfast sandwiches, and very exciting. Very, very exciting. How do you feel today, Captain?
I feel good. It's icy smooth. There's a police boat coming in here, I think, or orders to make sure we're behaving.
Wow, what a pretty morning.
It's not a police boat.
It's a fishing boat.
Fishing.
It's going to come up a 2 feet.
My hands on myself. Think I'll dust them off, put them back up on the shelf. Just a little baby girl isn't me. Am I coming out